Shmai, my name's Gina and I'm running to be your Students' Union President. Over the past year, I've been representing your academic interests as your VP Education. Some of the things I got done in this time include running the WNEUD campaign, giving you free food, free printing in the Students' Union, free hot drinks and goodies. I organised fortnightly therapy dogs to visit the Students' Union, and back in November when student safety concerns were at a high, I contacted all the student regular nightclubs to make sure that they were doing enough to keep you safe. This year, if you elect me, I've got 3 goals. Firstly, well-being. I've touched on it this year, but I want to do more, bringing therapy dogs to the Heath, sexual health testing days, and blood drives to the Students' Union. Number 2, sustainability. I want to reopen the food court with vegan options and get sustainable food in the TAF. 3, student experience. I want to throw SU club nights during July graduation, give you your timetables earlier, and finally get VK vending machines so you waste no time at YOLO. There's so much more in my manifesto, but vote for me and I'll get it done.
Hi, my name is Ariana Riccardi and I'm a student at the School of Law and Politics. I'm currently pursuing a Master's of Economics in Politics and Public Policy, but I'm also running for Students' Union President. And you might be wondering, Ariana, why are you running for President? And that's a great question. I'm running because I believe that we should do things that we are passionate about. And I'm a passionate public servant. I have leadership experience in roles such as student body president at my undergraduate institution and vice president before that. I use my core values when it comes to shaping policy and helping students. Core values such as community, diversity and inclusion, respect for all persons, and peace and social justice. I aim to create a longer table to give students the tools that they need to succeed. I want to listen to learn and not just to respond. So when it comes to voting in this election, I hope that I have your support, and that you choose to vote for me and party with Riccardi.
Shmai, hey, my name is Vee Somas and I'm running to be your SU President this year. I study medical engineering and I'm currently a senior mature students officer where I've made sure to do my best job, stick to all of my manifesto points and go beyond with anything raised and brought to my attention. My top 3 manifesto points this year include 1, making your uni life experience the best it can be. 2, taking your mental health seriously as it should be. And 3, allowing you to have the safest approach to living your best life at uni. So I'm going to do this through several ways such as girls only nights, and anyone who identifies as women, and more events, don't worry, mental health advisors in every school building, more time slots, easy access to help, and more app features. Safety bus scheme taken more seriously and free spiking covers given to all. And there's many more, don't worry. So follow me on social media and Diolch, Vee.